Welcome back, curry crew. Today we're going to be making some delicious corn paneer. So in a hot pan with 1 tablespoon of ghee, add in 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds or shahi jeera. After a minute or so, we will add in half an onion and cook until softened or transparent. Then we're going to add in 2 to 3 pieces of fresh ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies, 3 to 4 star anise, 2 to 3 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom seeds. Finally, add in about 7 to 8 cashews and give it a quick stir. Then we're going to add in 2 small tomatoes and give it a nice mix. Into this, we're also going to start adding in our seasonings, starting with a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin coriander powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Give it one final mix to spread out the spices evenly, and then last but not least, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of water and allow our tomatoes to cook until soft and tender on about low to medium heat, roughly for about 10 minutes or so. After which you can turn off the stove and allow your mixture to cool down. Once cooled, you can remove the star anise as well as the bay leaves from the pan, and then we're going to blend the rest of this mix into a smooth puree. After which you can return the puree into the pan, and into this we're going to add in 1.5 cups of corn kernels, either freshly boiled or frozen. We're also going to add in 1 cup of cubed paneer, and then finally we're going to add in 1 cut bell pepper. Then we're going to add in a tablespoon of heavy cream and give it one final stir. Let it simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes or so, and then for the final touch we're going to add in a teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi or dried fenugreek. Give it one final mix and our delicious dish is ready for us to eat. Keep on cooking!